Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Beoplay E8 Sport with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device, after that open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now it should enter to pairing mode, but if it doesn't, we should press and hold connectional button on both of earbuds until we can see that LED light it start flashing blue. Now we should see it on the list, click on it, pair, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!